Hell yeah, no security checkpoint here. Called it. Oh no, I didn't. That's Otis. Dover. Maybe Burlington. The bread no smoking. Odd. Series 2. You know what? No checkpoints, so I think we're gonna do all 4. Up.
Yes, sir.
We're going?
3, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. This sounds like the original order. Here you go. You too. Ooh, door close works. These are probably Dover. That sounds like the original motors. I'll have to check. Somebody waiting, we'll get off. There's a lot of blue. That's all screaming Dover to me. No cameras in here. And no security checkpoint here. No Otis anywhere on this panel. Get your Series 2 fixtures. These are definitely mods. I don't know how recent this was. Alright, let's see if we get a different one. Are we waiting? Yeah, we get transfer down here. Oh, one's a service. Oh, interesting lanterns. Let's see which one we get next. That's for the freight. So they have, so it's the only floor in the building. I'll have to find the motor room. I don't know where it is. These are probably Dover. Those brails are screaming Dover. Yeah, this is Dover. Maybe we'll find one without the fan. Ooh, it hasn't any use light on that. Those doors are kind of rough. They run well. I was expecting a security checkpoint here. There wasn't any. So if you want to ride these elevators, you can do them under your free will. I don't know why. I just feel like they're Burlington for some reason. I think they were. It's really, my mind just screamed Burlington even though I think they were Dover. Like maybe like Dover, like traditional or something, or maybe even Impulse. I don't know when this building was built. Alright, we'll send you off. Let's see which one we get next. Oh,
thank you so much.
you're welcome. Oh,
no.
It's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good one.
Thank you.
Alright, we need, there's an easy way to get that one as long as it's open. We have to get this one now. Yeah, those motors are original. At least I think they are. Yes, they're coming down. Three for three. case. Yeah, these are probably Dover. Arrow's a little delayed on this one. These always remind me of the ones in Hot Pog, the what is it, the Radisson Hotel? They remind me of that a lot. Now let's see if we can transfer to the service elevator the stupid way. Oh, it's open. It's here. There's a freight service light on it. That's interesting. I'm telling you, those do not sound like Otis motors to me. This is interesting. Guess that means it's in use. Yeah, this one has the pads. It has the same interiors. Extra handrails. And that's all four. Watch it close. And there you go. And that's it.